In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make it to a pivot table. We'll show you your values as a ranking versus a sum, which is easy in Excel with E. So let's just say we wanted to change this pivot table to where is a ranking of the sales that each salesperson is getting in their respective regions. To do this, we can click into the pivot table, and from here, we're going to want to click into pivot table analyze. And if it's not selected already, we're going to click on field list in the right to pop out the field list. Where here we can see we have a pivot table of revenue by salesperson and region. But to change this to be a ranking, we can click into the values grouping right here, and we can go to field value settings. And from here, we're going to not summarize values as we're going to show values as a specific calculation, which in this instance is going to be a ranking, which we're going to see once we scroll down a bit more. And as you can see, the last couple options is either a rank of smallest to largest or a rank of largest to smallest. Usually what it looks like is a rank of smallest to largest based on either the salesperson or the region. I'm just going to say based on the salesperson, for example. As you can see, each salesperson has a ranking up to 10 for each respective region. And as you can see, Parker in the region had the best performance, whereas Avery had the worst performance in this particular region. However, if you want to show this as a ranking within a specific region, we can have it be based on the region instead. And as you can see, it's showing the ranking based on each salesperson within the region. And kind of like I alluded to earlier, you can have the ranking be based on the smallest to largest or the largest to smallest, for example, which kind of flips things around. So that said, this is extremely helpful. You're trying to not just determine the values, but determine kind of which values are better than other values in your pivot table and within a specific category. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.